Why are credit scores different between the three credit bureaus? After 25 years in home lending, this is a question I get asked all the time. When it comes to credit scores, this can be confusing. Not only that, when it comes to credit scores for home loans, it can be even more confusing. A credit score is a very important part of the home loan process because it impacts your ability to qualify for the loan. It could impact your interest rate as well as the loan program that you are eligible for. So let's get into why credit scores differ between the three credit bureaus. And be sure to stay tuned until the end where I talk specifically about credit scores and home loans. The three credit scores we're talking about are Equifax credit scores, Experian credit scores, and Transunion credit scores. Keep in mind, these are three separate companies who don't share information with each other. They also have different scoring models. Therefore, they compute things like late payment, credit history, balance to limit ratios, etc. differently. This can result in the variation of credit scores that you might see. One might think that they receive all the same information, but they don't. Not all creditors report to all three credit bureaus. In fact, creditors have to pay to report to credit bureaus, so that would be the reason why they may only choose to report to one as opposed to all three. So that's why credit scores are different between the three credit bureaus. But wait, there's more! When you're looking online at your credit score from your credit card company or your bank, or maybe you just went to one of those apps and you're monitoring your credit and you're looking for your score, those credit scores are not going to be the same credit scores that a home lender is going to use when you go through the home loan pre-qualification process. And that's because mortgage lenders are required to use certain credit scoring models that are much different that we receive through a bank, a credit card company, or even online when we're pulling our scores. So you might be saying, Kelly, how do I know my credit score for a home loan? The only way to truly know your credit score for a home loan is to have a mortgage lender pull your credit. And that happens when you go through the pre-qualification part of the process. Once you've completed that application, your credit's going to be pulled, and then a mortgage lender will be able to tell you what your three credit scores are. If you have questions about credit scores, please let me know in the comments below. And I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel for more mortgage information and education. See you next time.